how to change your name on your Google account. Now let's say you want to update the name for one reason or the other. So you sign into your Google account, and once you're in, the first thing you do is you click on personal info at the top here. So after clicking on personal info, you scroll down to you can see all your personal information, and then it will open up, and then you can put in your new name. So let's say you click on this arrow up here. Let's say my name is, instead of TA, let's say I decide to update it with whatever I like. It's actually supposed to be your name. So I scroll down. So after updating it, then you can choose who you want to see your name. So for now, I see it on anyone, so I click on save. And that's it. If I want a nickname, I can also add a nickname here. Let's say I want my nickname to be Harley. Or let's say I decide my nickname to be Bubbles. So that's it. And I click on save. And you can see my display name. I can also choose display name I want. I can choose Towel Bubbles Caitlin, Towel Caitlin Bubbles, anyone I want. Let's say I want this one, Towel Bubbles Caitlin. I click on save. And that's it.